Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. So the big market to watch tomorrow is going to be TLT. You can see TLT bottomed out here in early October and has been rallying ever since. Part of this is in response to the weakening stock market, but a larger part of this is in response to that the bond market is very, very efficient at pricing in 6 months down the line what it's looking at down the horizon, and it's essentially pricing in economic weakness and deflation. Okay, so why deflation? Well, if you have not looked at the crude oil market lately, I mean, crude oil has largely been driving, and we can look at XLE, which is the energy sector, has largely been driving inflation. Well, actually, let's just look at crude oil futures here. And crude oil, if you have not seen this, has gone from $76 all the way down to 49. That pretty much wipes out all of the target inflation that they have hoped to achieve. Now, while this has been going on, we've been seeing the stock market rolling over pretty hard, and that's on a 2-day chart, and that includes the Qs as well. Tech was trying to get something to go in today. We do have a 2-day squeeze setting up, and we'll see how this fires in alignment with the FOMC meeting. But all eyes, of course, will be on the Fed. Are they going to come in and try to rescue the market, or are they going to do their thing? At this point, they have to take into account that the inflation that they've targeted has been evaporated. The only reason to raise rates is to kind of put a lid on the inflation target that they have achieved. But once inflation drops and they start raising interest rates, that's only going to accelerate deflation. So tomorrow is going to be a big day for the markets, and we want to keep an eye on that. Okay, and last but not least, first edition of Mastering a Trade, I wrote that in 2005. The second edition came out in 2012, and the third edition is out. It is now released on Amazon. You can order it. It's actually a #1 bestseller right now in 3 categories: commodities, business investments, and something else. And if you are interested in this, I'll tell you real quick some of the updates to it. But if you go to simplertrading.com/mastering-trade, okay, it's not mastering the trade, but mastering-trade. It'll take you to this special link, and if you just order the book, again, off of Amazon, you can actually get $297 worth of free bonuses along with the book. So I just thought that was a cool way to do it. So this book has been updated considerably. If you're familiar with the book, the middle part of it has trade setups. Those are similar. We pruned a couple of those, added some new ones in, and then the part 1 and then part 3 has been updated drastically. I've got 4 brand new chapters. Also, Danielle has written a chapter, Henry's written a chapter, and then we've purged a lot of the older stuff out. So it's a completely new and updated book. A lot of psychology, a lot of setups, and a lot of stuff to kind of get us all rocking and rolling for 2019. So hope you like it. Have a good one, and we'll see you guys at the next update.